Hi everybody, this is your Unit 1 spelling test. So go ahead and make sure that you have something to write with and a piece of paper to write on, and I am going to say your spelling words and you're going to write them down, okay? Go ahead and put your name on it and number 1 through 12. After you are done taking this spelling test, you're going to go into Google Classroom under classwork and put the answers exactly how you wrote them into the Google form. That way I can see them and we can grade it, because I know not all of you have the capability to take a picture of your test and submit that. Okay, so we'll see how this goes. If this is weird for this week, we'll change it next week, but I just want to try. Okay, number 1, the word is afternoon. Hannah and her sisters will go shopping on Saturday afternoon. Afternoon. Number 2, airplane. Brothers Orville and Wilbur Wright invented the first airplane. Airplane. Number 3, classroom. Our teacher keeps our classroom neat and organized. Classroom. Number 4, fireplace. The Mountain Lodge has a wood-burning fireplace. Fireplace. Number 5, friendship. A loyal and trustworthy friendship can last many years. Friendship. Number 6, notebook. The scientist recorded his observations in an old notebook. Notebook. Outside. Number 7, outside. Our graduation ceremony will be held outside if it doesn't rain. Outside. Number 8, password. To access your email account, you must enter your password. Password. Number 9, rainfall. This weekend's weather forecast includes a lot of rainfall. Rainfall. Number 10, underground. Coal mined underground can be used to generate electricity. Underground. Number 11, wildlife. Tropical rainforests are home to a variety of wildlife. Wildlife. And number 12, yourself. Please help yourself to a glass of water if you are thirsty. Yourself.